Hey guys, we are having a blizzard right now in April. I bet you my koi and goldfish are super confused right now. But I just wanted to show you guys what I've got going on here. I'll probably do a better video when it's nice out and there's no snow. But this morning we did not have any snow on the ground, but look at it now. I mean, it's beautiful, but I am so done with winter. Anyways, this small pond up here is about 350 gallon goldfish pond. I've got about 2 dozen goldfish in here. And then down there is about a 2,500 gallon koi pond. I put that in last summer with the help of my my brother and my nephews. I got some cattails here, and then you can see the koi pond there. Backyard's kind of a mess. I was in the middle of cleaning up, and then this blizzard came. So, yep, gazebo. I'll head down there and show you guys. The pond close up. So right here is my plum tree. Whoop, almost took a spill there. This is one of my plum trees. The top kind of broke off from a windstorm last year. That's why it's kind of short. And then this is one of the Nankings. And this is the other Nanking. Sorry, you guys can't really see anything. But it's growing pretty well. This will be its second year in the ground. It was growing in pots before. But and then this is the other plum tree. And as you can see, it's my koi pond with a that cement tub there. It's probably 100 gallons. That's my filter. I'll be putting in a 55 gallon barrel filter next to it. It'll be like a radial filter. But I've also got that smaller pond area. That's going to be my bog filter. Got some iris growing in there. Probably going to put some cattails and whatnot. But you can't really see the koi right now. They're probably at the bottom. So that's it. That is the pond.